Alright, this time I'm gonna fly the Hobby King A1 SkyRaider with the original prop. Okay. See whether it can take off from here. So we're running on the VS 1000 EDM. Alright, so it takes off. I've not used this prop for quite a while because it's so easy to break. Okay, let's switch it to manual mode. Wow, look at the power. You can just loop all day long. You can roll and roll and roll. Yeah, basically just as you wish. You can do whatever maneuver that you like. It has sufficient power, very stable control, very predictable behavior. Only for almost a year now. I bought it last year March, but never really spent that much amount of time with it until recently. Still wiggling a bit. That is the behavior of the gyro, which I mean there's not much I can do. I think it's just oversensitive. I did send a request to Hobby King, and then they give me some suggestions, but it doesn't seem to work consistently. Basically, I'm full throttle all the time. Yeah. This is I'm flying in a small field here. I mean, of course, I can fly to the right hand side, which gives me a bit more space. But I think I'm happy with this space here. Okay, my alarm is on. So I'm just intending to do a very short flight, testing this original prop. I think it looks good. It fly well, but I don't see much difference with my 10-inch prop, 2-bay prop. Alright, now landing is a bit tricky. Okay, I hope that I'm not going to break any prop. The problem for this is every time almost like I land, because of the tall grass that we have over here, I tend to break a few props. Okay, so I'll slow it down. Oh, a bit too far. I need to bring it back. Hope it won't stall. Give it a little bit more. Oh shit, I think the battery is dead. Couldn't push it anymore. Alright, let's check to see if the props survive. Okay, it's still moving. Still a bit of juice on the motor. Okay, let's just cut the throttle. Well, it was a bad landing because not enough power, but at least it's still in one piece. And as I expected, I lost a prop. Right, so it's broken right here. Right, I still have spare, but I guess I will change it to my 2-blade. Yeah, I just want to keep those props for a little bit longer, because sometimes it's actually very difficult to get spare parts from a hobby game.